What would happen if Yellowstone supervolcano actually erupted? Introduction. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore one of nature's most terrifying and intriguing phenomena, the potential eruption of the Yellowstone supervolcano. If this colossal volcano were to erupt again, imagining the consequences is quite challenging. Let's delve into what could unfold in such a scenario. Magnitude of potential disaster. If the supervolcano beneath Yellowstone National Park were to experience another major eruption, it could spew ash thousands of miles across the United States, causing damage to buildings, suffocating crops, and potentially shutting down power plants. In essence, it would be an enormous catastrophe. How likely is it? However, don't panic just yet. The likelihood of this horrific scenario unfolding is actually quite low. Despite being thousands of times more powerful than a typical volcano, the Yellowstone supervolcano has only experienced three major eruptions in history, occurring approximately 2.1 million, 1.3 million, and 664,000 years ago. Any recent signs of eruption? Contrary to some media reports, there are no indications suggesting that another super eruption is imminent. In fact, it's even possible that Yellowstone may never experience such a large-scale eruption again. Insights from scientific research. Nevertheless, Yellowstone continues to capture the imagination as a potential source of apocalyptic scenarios. In September 2014, a team of scientists published an article exploring what a Yellowstone super eruption might look like. According to their findings, the volcano could bury states like Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, and Colorado under 3 meters of harmful volcanic ash and blanket the Midwest. This amount of ash could kill vegetation and animals, collapse building roofs, and cause all sorts of electrical equipment to short circuit. What is the Yellowstone supervolcano? The Yellowstone supervolcano has rarely erupted throughout history. Most of its eruptions were smaller lava flows, with the most recent occurring approximately 70,000 years ago at the Pitchstone Plateau. However, what makes Yellowstone so notable is the distant possibility of catastrophic super eruptions. A super eruption is defined as anything that ejects at least 1,000 cubic kilometers of material and rates an 8 or higher on the volcanic explosivity index. This amount of ash would be enough to bury Texas under 1.5 meters of ash. Conclusion. In conclusion, while the Yellowstone supervolcano has the potential to create a massive disaster, the probability of it happening is quite low. Nevertheless, understanding the size and power of this volcano helps us appreciate just how awe-inspiring nature can be. Until our next video, stay tuned and stay curious about science.